this is the solution to WEX 360. Okay, so square root looks something like that. X to fifth, the main thing to remember, well, for this one, you know, this one, square root belongs in the even radical category. This belongs in the odd power category. So this one is flat and then up like that, and then flat-ish and down like that. 1 over x cubed. So this is the odd reciprocal. So it will look like this. Absolute value. So this one here is an odd radical. Then this one is a line. So it has positive y-intercept and negative slope. Like that. So now that we have them drawn, we can write down these things. Okay, so the domain, write your interval notation. Okay, so the domain is 0 to infinity. The range is also 0 to infinity. No, that's the image. The range is negative infinity to infinity. The image is 0 to infinity. It is injective and it is not surjective. So it's injective because it passes the horizontal line test. So just as a reminder, the question of is it injective, this is the same as does it pass the horizontal line test, and the question is it surjective, this is the same as the question is the range equal to the image. Okay, so then yes and no. The prompt here, so domain, the domain here is all reals, so negative infinity to infinity. The range is all reals. The image is, again, all reals. Yes, it is injective. Yes, it is surjective. For this one, the domain is everything but 0, so that would be negative infinity to 0, union 0 to infinity. The range is all reals. However, output 0, y equals 0, is not obtainable, so the image is negative infinity to 0, union 0 to infinity. Is it injective? The answer is yes, because it passes the horizontal line test, but it is not surjective because 0 is in the range but not in the image. For this one, the domain is all reals, the range is all reals, the image is only from 0 to infinity. It is not injective and it is not surjective. It's not injective because it fails the horizontal line test. It's not surjective because the range is not the image. For this one, the domain is negative infinity to infinity. The range is negative infinity to infinity. The image is negative infinity to infinity. It is injective and it is surjective. And finally, here the domain negative infinity to infinity, the range negative infinity to infinity, the image negative infinity to infinity. It is injective, it is surjective.